Hi and welcome to my video. Before we start, I just want to let you know that the full version of this course is available. So if you are interested in more retouching techniques, make sure you check the links in the description. I want to show you special effect that make your hair look paintery. It's important to know that this effect will not work perfect on the messy hair. So if you have the image with the messy hair, this effect is not necessarily for this kind of image. But if you have the image with the straight hair and you want to make them look really smooth, this video will be perfect. So for this, I'm going to use frequency separation action. So I'm going to use the action that I share in this course. 8-bit action, of course, because we work on the JPEG image. In this case, set the radius. So 10 pixels will be absolutely enough. Then I'm opening the frequency separation group and I pay attention to this low frequency layer. I'm going to duplicate this and then I'm going to blur this, but I'm going to do this in the special way because I'm going to use motion blur. So I'm going to blur and then choosing motion blur. Then I will try to set up the motion effect pretty much in the direction of the hair. So depending on which area I want to work, I'm trying to find the right motion and of course the right distance, because we don't want the effect to be too strong to ruin the natural outcome. But I feel this amount is perfect. Then I'm going to hit OK, create a mask over here. So I'm creating layer mask and I'm going to invert this layer mask. So now I can paint on this black layer mask and bring the effect back. These hair are not probably ideal, so they go, as you can see, they have the certain curve here, but it will work, and it would work even better if the hair will go in the one direction. So I can increase the flow with white color of the brush. I'm painting around the areas that I want to be smooth, just like this. So this is a very quick, simple effect. For sure, not something that I would recommend using for high-end beauty retouching, but some more creative retouching, this effect really can do the wonders if you're looking for this kind of results. So let's have a look before and after. As you can see, very simple step, and it allows us to make the hair look very smooth.